Hi everyone, it's Jeannie Marie from Artistic Pours and More, and I got a package today. I ordered this. It's been a while. It took them a while to get it to me. It's from Arteza, and I'm gonna open it right now if I can get this opened and share what I've got, or what I ordered, I should say. I actually saw someone else get this, and for the life of me, I can't remember who it was. And I watch her all the time, and I'm like having a mind blank here. I know someone will tell me in my comments, I hope, or hopefully she will, because she's watching me, I hope. Alright, so I got, let's see, the metallic markers, water-based ink, non-toxic, and they were on sale, so I picked up these 8 colors, and they're water-based. You can use them on glass, so I figured they'd be great on resin, and I hope they work well, so I'll give them a try and let y'all know how they work. I'm anxious. There's silver and gold, green, blue, purple, pink, and red. And looks like that's like a bronze or maybe a gray. And I got the wood chips. And this was what I saw someone else had ordered, and I could not wait till I got enough together for me to get this. Really can't afford it, but I'm like, there's so many things you can do with it. I'm so excited about it. And I probably will include, I'm not sure, I'm sure I will eventually include 1 or 2 of these in some of my giveaways, that they can work on themselves. There's supposed to be 45 in here, and they come with the twine. Get it open here. All nice different sizes. Oh, I love them. Beautiful pieces of wood. You still got the bark. Gorgeous tree rings. Literally a tree ring. And the hole that's already pre-drilled, and the twine that comes with it, so you can make all kinds of things. Name, could even put your name on there if you wanted to, and put it down next to where you're recording, so it shows that this is like your logo here, or ornaments, anything you could think of. Actually, these are wonderful. I'm so excited. And then they're all natural. That means that they're all different shapes and sizes. I absolutely adore them, and I could not wait till I got them. So I wanted to share that with you all, and thank all my subscribers for watching and viewing, and to please like and share. Make sure you hit that little bell so you get notified of additional videos I put up, and tell your friends about me. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you soon. Talk to you later. Bye-bye.